guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for listening again, Sir Jo-jie's vlogs. So before we start with our video tutorial, I just would like you to please, I'm asking you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, what I'm going to teach you is how are we going to make certificates personalized. For example, we're making 100 certificates for 100 persons with their names in just a click away, or let's say we can finish that in just 10 minutes or 3 minutes or less. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, you have to encode the name of your participants in your Microsoft Excel, and then of course the corresponding grade level and or other things you want to include. So because most of us, when we receive certificates, especially here in the Philippines, we receive certificates without our names, especially when the certificate is being given on that very day of the activity or program. So if you want to receive or if you want to distribute certificates with the names of your participants, so this video is right for you. This video will teach you how to do it and how to do it in just very few minutes, just very few times. So let's start. So I have here already listed sample names of the participants. But this should be the name, not first name. Okay. So I have it here. I included here 30 participants. Therefore, I will be producing 30 certificates. You just have to save it. And then after that, you have to close it, and then you go to your Microsoft Word. Here in your Microsoft Word, you have here the template for your certificate. And if you have other designs, you can use other applications and then just put here your designs, your background for your certificate. So I just made a simple one. So here you would like, in this area, would like the name of your participant to appear, and then at the bottom of that you want the grade level of that participant to appear also. So what you just need to do is, by the way, this is a one short a letter size paper, this certificate. So as you can see, I have only here one sheet, but later on you will discover that I will be producing 30 sheets or 30 certificates. So you just need to go to mailings. So we have here home, insert, design, layout, references, and the button that you're going to click is the mailings. Here in the mailings, you have to select your recipients. So you don't have to type a new list, but you have to use an existing list. It means you have already there in your Excel file. So you have to look for that file. So in our case, I saved it as input data underscore YouTube because this is for my YouTube tutorial. Just simply click OK, and then after selecting recipients, you have to go here, edit recipients list. So this name and grade level, you don't have to include that, so just uncheck that. And then we have here 2 rows with no data, so you have to uncheck them also. After editing the recipient list, just simply click OK. And then after that, we are going to insert now. So I have here the different fields to be inserted. So we have to choose F2 and F3, because as you can see here, what is written in the F2 is the name, and in the F3 is the grade level. You don't have to include name of participant because numbers will appear if you're going to include that name of participants. So We have to insert F2. See, as you can see, Mark Joseph appeared. But initially, it does not appear like that. Initially, basically, ito yung lumalabas. This is what is appearing in your screen. This F2, this is the name of the column. And then below you want to include the grade level, so just choose F3 because F3 is the grade level. Then after that, if you want to check, so as you can see, you have it there. So you can change the format, like making it small or big. And after that, we have here already Mark Joseph. Mark is the first name, Joseph is the last name. And so after that, where are the other certificates? Okay, let's go back to mailings. As you can see, you have here various certificates. See? So, after checking that all the names are listed already there, so you have to click finish and merge. Just click that if you want to edit individual documents or you want to save these individual documents. Just click that. And then from record number 2 to number 31, or just simply click OK. And after that, guys, there will be a file to open named letters. This is your original file. And then after doing the mailings, you got this bunch of certificates, by just doing that mailings. So it's ready to be printed and ready to be distributed to your participants, and they will feel that that certificate really belongs to them, and that certificate really is not made by them but made by the organizer and was given to them. See? So, and I just hope that this video helps you to make your work easier, and you'll become more efficient when you have such activities and you need to distribute certificates right away to your participants. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I just hope, guys, that you are going to share this with your fellow workers or fellow organizers.
Hi guys, maraming salamat sa panonood, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share na rin po ang aking mga videos, and hit the notification bell para updated po tayo sa ating mga techno tutorial videos. Maraming salamat!